We did it. We evicted the rightful livers of this base and now are owning it.
Listen up. We're about to get started. A lot of mercenaries from around the world have made their way into the country, as I'm sure you've seen. However, Sicario is currently one of the only groups that can throw around enough fighters to aid in the air war. Cascadia's National Guard was quickly scattered and taken out by Federation military forces when we originally tried to force them out of Cascadia. They came without mercy, eliminating more than 30% of our active
That's
forces.
a lot.
These last few weeks have been disastrous, and we're on the verge of capitulating into a full-blown guerrilla war. We'd like to avoid this, and because of that, Sicario will be deployed immediately to several of our units currently in need of support.
Hitman team, you will be deployed to an agricultural area to the south. One of the Independence Force's surviving battalions has been driven there by a Federation offensive. Presently, a collection of Allied officers preside over a rather notable amount of manpower. The Federation is currently engaged using air and ground units, so a multifaceted loadout is suggested. You might catch the Federation off guard, however, anticipate retaliation in short
Reinforcements,
order.
got it.
Launch and lift the siege. If that battalion falls, our forces won't have enough manpower or command to organize again.
Cool. Well, you already know what time it is. Federation 1. Let's go. Which ones are new? Cordium and geothermal. One of those seems more familiar, and I'm not sure real. But I'm not sure what geothermal supply really means. Suppose we'll find out as the game goes on. Leveraging its power with military and political dominance against all those who stand against it. Wow, that's some Federation right there. United Cascadia. Oh, yeah, we already read this. Cascadian Independence Force. Beneath one banner, non-Federation Allied National Guard units, militias, citizens who believe in independence. Led by Cascadian surviving political cabinet and generals. Fight to maintain a proper appearance as to not to devolve into guerrilla and revolutionary fighting. As often seen in the FNE, legitimizing the struggle in the international eye. Okay, so we're trying to still make it an actual war, not a desperate bid. Backward Cascadian National Guard base, taken over by the Federation. Oh, this is just where we came and where we live now. Pilot entries. I don't think there's going to be much new. We didn't really see any new faces. Secondary Federation Squadron, among the many of the mainline units not charged with active warfighting at the start of the Cascadian. Squadrons like Crosswalk are meant to shore up other units as frontline losses are sustained. So that's kind of what they did. They came in after the majority of the fighting and got owned. Veterans of that war are often... Okay, that's a lot. Okay, so they fought with the Federation, but now they're fighting against them, I think. And then they're the ones who've, like, actually managed to make it. Alright, I wonder if we'll have any new planes. Oh. Look at this boy. I'm more inclined to buy this two-seater. That looks like a two-seater. But I'm not too concerned. So, oh my gosh. Look at how many special weapons this thing has. Holy crap. There's no way we aren't buying this guy. It's a two-seater. It's a logical upgrade. Wonderful. Hold on. I just noticed we have a little butterfly as our thing. I like that. Alright. Multi-lock anti-ground missiles. 48 of them. Wow. It's pretty nice. Dual volley. Fires at targets in pairs. Oh, so like 2 of them go. So if we're expecting beefy resistance. Okay, okay. Unguided bombs, 40 of them, so we can literally just throw them wherever the heck we want. Oh, smaller explosive rate. Got it. Guided rockets. That's pretty obvious. Medium burst. Fires entirely payload at. I think that's supposed to be entire. I think that's a typo. Dumb rockets. Fires entire payload. So just all of my rockets at once. That's rad. I'm gonna go with some unguided bombs, I think. That makes the most sense to me. Do I click on one of these? Select additional weapons. Machine gun pod. Oh, you had me at machine gun pod. I'm probably grabbing this. Rapid gun pod. Fast firing gun pod. Standard pod, similar to average fighter cannon. High explosive gun pod. Canister. Oh my gosh. Shotgun. Excusez-moi. That's rad. This is gonna take some experimenting, but holy crap, this is in depth. We're gonna go with the shotgun one, I think. That sounds rad. But machine gun pod seems most reasonable. We'll try out the shotgun ones. That seems cool. Yeah. This game. Oh my gosh, this game. This is interest. This is really. Oh my gosh, this is a wide boy. This is a wide boy. Look at how wide this boy is. This is a little guy. I like this little guy. I really like him so far. He's just very funny. Alright, we have bombs. Yeah, that's what we want to blow up. Let's give it a shot. Bye-bye, boys. Oh, they didn't die. Tanks be beefy in this game. Yeah, the tanks, as expected, are kind of annoying. I I can't even blow him up in one hit. That's crazy. Bye. Let's try our new Gunpod. After we take care of this guy. Alright, let's take him down. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. I quite like that. Yes. Another one blown up.
Good tone, good tone.
Okay, once I get used to that, that's gonna be pretty lethal, I think. You tell me every plane has gun pods, or at least a lot of them do. What did I just do there? An accident.
Good tone, good tone. Ground target destroyed.
Well, that was pretty good. Oh, we got some new targets inbound.
All armored targets splashed. That should give the rebel troops.
There is a lot of enemy targets in this game, huh? Whoa, these fire quite a distance. These are choppers. Oh wow, that's a generous hitbox. That's like a super generous hitbox, huh? Oh wow, I thought that was gonna miss. I was wrong. It's one of those fancy whatever they're called. That's a lot of enemies.
Hit me one! Fox 2, Fox 2! Nice and close.
Yeah, these seem quite good.
Enemy aircraft shot down!
So you tell me that flares on a cooldown and it's not limited?
Hard lock, let it fly. Missile away.
Well, we're here.
Pop countermeasures! Hit me one! Fox 2!
Monarch missile array. Warning, missile inbound. Hitman 1 good zone.
Got it, got it. Alright.
Ground unit destroyed. Right on target.
Let's get these extra points or something.
Radar lock, take him down. Stacked up.
Missile away!
Missile away.
Alright, so they're about 3,000 away? Okay, I really like the shotgun. It's very dumb. And it fits my playstyle to a T. Would you be surprised? Alright, this guy is very slick. Is he slick enough to dodge that? Doesn't look like it.
Hitman 1 locked on.
Just fill the sky with lead. He can't do anything about that. What are you gonna do, huh? Alright, after some careful reconsideration, I think that the smaller bombs, when I have 40 of them, will be better. Because it's all about fire and friggin'.
Sicario AWACS Galaxy Raw Independence Force elements. Advised to cease engagement. it's me. Did any of our forces get a positive ident on that aircraft that broke our line? Affirmative. A crowd. Mercenaries. Hard copy. Issuing theater-wide alert. Mercenary forces are now in play by the rebels. Hitman Team, RTB. We're reporting similar successes up and down Cascadia. If Monarch keeps racking up kills like that, we're gonna need a bigger offshore
Heck yeah.
account. Us versus the Federation. Yep, that's what we're doing now. No big deal, right?
Right?
Keep your nerves on you. Monarch seems to be playing out just fine. Ain't that right, Lee?
Well, Monarch's Monarch, and that's besides the point. We're home. Been about a decade, but we're back. Fighting the goddamn New World Order.
Yeah. That was a fun mission. There was just so many enemy units.
Good job, Hitman Team. General Elizabeth reports your tactical support pretty much saved his men and a respectable amount of firepower for the Independence Force. Combined with deployments by the rest of Sicario and other mercenaries, we've been brought back from the brink and have stabilized our territory. Being able to maintain proper military formation and territory means we'll be able to wage this war the right way. Stand by for further taskings.
Oh yes,
Rest.
Moral War. My favorite. Look at all those allied kills, holy crap. I missed out on a whole, like, dozen kills. I didn't realize I killed that many artillery. Or, you know. Why are there two separate counts of artillery? Huh? When did I kill an oil tank? Nice. Then, of course, plenty of air units. Dang. The game is good.